Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and in this video I'm going to talk about the installation of my little library. Really quick, my boyfriend just told me we had a visitor to our little library. So excited, but she left the door open. He pulled up, she got nervous, whatever, but he told her don't be nervous, it's here. That's why it's here, for you guys to use whenever you need to. So anyway, in this video segment, I'm going to walk you through, I did get my charter stamp for my little library, and we actually installed it outside. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all of that. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. I took 3 days off work, and trust and believe it was well needed. There was some things that I just needed to get done around the house. So I just got back. I put in my little free library, but I forgot the dog bones for the actual dog biscuit holder. So anyway, I got that, went to Dollar Tree and just purchased some. And then I checked the mail before I went to Dollar Tree and noticed that my official little free library stamp is here. So I want to show that to you as well. So, but anyway, as far as the dog biscuits, Dollar Tree, for $1.25, I got a big old bag. So I am going to use this inside the little free library. I bought 2 bags because I figured my dogs might want some as well. So when people are walking by with their dogs, they can grab a biscuit. I probably should put some poop bags out there too, but we'll just start with that for now. And then I got this in the mail. So here's my official little free library sign. Ooh. All right, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what it is up. Keep watching. Here's the info, little free library steward's guide. So cute. Okay, so this is my number. It's actually gonna go outside my little free library. And excuse my nails. I haven't had a chance to get my nails done. But anyway, so then this talks about how the sharing library works, how you can download it on your phone, an app, and all of that great stuff. So we've done that already, but we're gonna officially register it. Reading this little booklet, it sends you an email once you purchase your official sticker. And it's not actually a sticker, it's actually a metal sign that's going to go on your little free library. And then excuse my nails, you guys, I haven't, that's why I'm taking 3 days off to get myself together. But anyway, I jumped ahead and went online and did my account already. So hopefully I can go in and edit to show them that I now have a steward account. But I do have this. I'm going to put a library up at my cabin, but I don't think I'm going to register it for the little free library just because it's just so rural. But it would just definitely be a nice thing to have for people that are renting the cabin and want to read some nice, spooky, scary books. So anyway, keep watching while I get all this together. All right, guys. So when setting up your steward account in Little Library, so that is when you get your official sticker. You buy it for like $50 or so. It comes to probably about $55, $60. Plan on putting that aside. And then finally you buy the actual label and it has your steward account number. Now your steward account number links to everything. Your address, where your little library is located. And if you've already went on the app and you signed up without paying for your steward account, no worries. As soon as you pay for your steward account, the app automatically recognizes that you have that steward account number because it's linked to your name and your address. And then it is able to list it. Now, here's the unique part. If you're going to get 2 little libraries like I am, and eventually I will probably put a charter number or a steward account number at my second little library, which will be at the cabin, then under the little library link, you will be able to list both of your charter account numbers. You'll be able to upload pictures of your little library and everything. And so everyone that's visiting your little library, they can check in and out if they have the app also. And if they have that, your exact information of who you are, your story, and kind of all of that, just knowing that it's safe and secure because they had to go on the app as well and input all the information that you're also inputting. So it makes it a nice little library community. And this is actually United States wide, actually worldwide. So everywhere you go, you can go into your app and see where the little libraries are in the neighborhood nearest you. So let me walk you through step by step on how to set this up on a mobile app. So keep watching. Okay, so from the home screen of your cell phone, you can download the Little Library app as you see here. So this is a filter that you can use to identify how far you want to search for little libraries and where you really want to look. Here I'm drilling into my area and I'm seeing that there are other little libraries located all around me that I can look for. So if you're out of town, this is something that's fun for you to do, to see what little libraries are actually in the area nearest you. And here I'm drilling into more my area. Here you can really drill deep and see all the other businesses that is around where this little library is actually located. So it really helps you to identify actually the area, to ensure that it's a safe area that you would want to go into to look at books. Now, when you click more into a specific person, you can see that you can check in and out, and you can read a little bit more about their story and why they started their little library in the first place. These stories are very interesting to read about, so I recommend it. And this is just a little more of that story. I opened it up so I can see more. If you have more than one little library, you can list it actually on the My Library page within the app. So this is a wonderful tool to have.